These are the Chioggia beet, otherwise known as the candy stripe beet. All of these leaves come off in the pack house. Some of them come off out here, but we want to keep the majority of these leaves. We don't want to have to pick them up again because these are all going to the pigs. All the waste from our gardens go to our pigs for nutrients. Wait till you see the inside of this thing. Check this out. Now these specialty beets, everybody can grow a red beet. Chefs don't always get too excited about a red beet because it stains the plate. People have a tendency to not like beets just because they're used to seeing the red beets. And you get something different like this. This is a Chioggia candy stripe beet, or we got the bolder beets, which is going to be probably going to see those next week, maybe the week after. Those are a little bit different as well. We are growing some specialty beets from row 7 seeds this week. Those are called Badger Flames. Those are pretty sweet too, but those are going to be here in a few weeks. Candy stripe beet, awesome. Obviously, everyone that's getting a box this week knows that we don't spray these with any pesticides. It's everything sustainable, organic, natural practices. We're gonna take the top off of it this week. That's what you're gonna see in your box. You can cut these up fresh. I like to just take the skin right off of them and put them on a salad. Don't have to do anything to them. These greens again, we're gonna put all those to the pigs. Look at this. These are the white beets. I think they're also called Avalanche. And that's another specialty beet. Look at that. Again, gets you out of the norm. We don't want just a normal red beet, you know? This is something different, something to get excited about. These are awesome. It's funny how when we're doing these boxes, before you come out and actually walk through the fields and make the harvest list, it's like, oh, what are we gonna put in the boxes? How are we gonna have enough variety? And you get out here, it's like one thing after the other. It's like, wow, we've got a lot of good stuff.